What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to pour the backsplash of a sink that I done, I believe it was 2 videos ago. And I believe the name of it was How to Epoxy a Sink from Start to Finish. I believe that's what it's called. But the whole sink's been poured except the backsplash. And it's not a very big backsplash. It ain't going to take very long. But I'll let you look at it real quick. That's the backsplash. It's not very big at all. You guys can see that. Here's the rest of the sink. You guys remember that sink, yeah? It's going to a friend of mine. Anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And I'll get the camera and everything set up and we'll get to pour in this sink. Peace. Alright, guys. You want to, of course, this is a 1-to-1 mix ratio on your epoxy. I'm just going to mix this by hand, being there's not that much of it. You want to mix it for about 4 minutes. Put gloves on this time too. I don't want to get all sticky. I got absolutely the wrong hobby, not wanting to get sticky. Any of you guys done any sinks or anything? I wouldn't mind seeing some of your guys' projects. Believe it or not, I get inspired by some of the comments that I get. They give me some good ideas. I get some good comments too. You want to make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom very well, because there's going to be unmixed epoxy that's stuck to the side of the container. You want to make sure you get all that. You don't want no sticky spots in your surface. Oh, I forgot to mention this is Wisebond epoxy, and I'm going to be using this, come on focus, Black Beauty liquid dye. It's from Wisebond as well. I have a link in the description of this video to where you guys can get this and epoxy and just they got all kind of stuff. And also there's a discount code for 10% off of your order as well. Guess I should shake it up. It really don't take a whole lot of this to color your epoxy. It's pretty concentrated. Again, scrape the sides and the bottom so you can get all that epoxy tinted black. Let me let you see. Oh yeah, it's black. This is going to be a quick pour because that backsplash is absolutely small. The colors we're going to be using, excuse my arm, are white, satin French lilac, and gloss coral. All right, let's do this. Oh, and if your surface down here, oh no, can't have that. If your surface around your project is clean, well, you have a reservoir. Now the way I do it, on this sink, I'm going to spray it on my paint stick. On most of my sinks, I'll just spray it straight on the surface. Not going to do that here. French lilac. That should be enough of that. Now, for the gloss coral. Let me go get me a paintbrush really quick. All right. Now I'm not gonna disturb this with a paintbrush. I'm just gonna get some of this down here. And there's a little spot right here that you want to make sure you get some epoxy on. And we'll add color to that as well. Let's see. A little bit of that. A little bit of lilac. And a little white. Not a lot of white. A lot of white on this goes a long way. Now I'm going to get the heat gun and move it around. When you guys start your heat gun up, make sure you do it pointing away from your project. You don't want to get no dust blown in that. I need a tad bit more coral in it. A little more lilac. Like I said, you can use this color down here if your surface is clean. That's really all there is to it, guys. I'll take the camera down off this tripod, give you a closer look. Alright guys, here it is. It's hard for me to get a good look at it with the glare that's going on. I'm so sorry about that glare. I'm going to add a little bit more color right there. Let me do this right here on the fly real quick. Not white. Add a little bit of lilac. Just right along the edge. Just a touch. And maybe a touch more of this coral. This coral's pretty strong, so you guys probably ain't gonna have to add much of that to it. Now I'll give that a quick shot with the heat gun. Just to disperse them colors. There. That's all the color I wanted on there. Hope you guys like it. Let me turn this camera around. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Even if it's to say hello, hi, or criticism, it doesn't matter. As long as you leave a comment, that helps the channel out more than you know. And give it a thumbs up, please, if I've earned it. That helps me get a little bit higher in the queue. And I'm trying to go somewhere on this channel. We're going slowly, but we're going. Let me know what you think of it. And if you haven't got yourself subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, which I believe it should be in that corner down there, I believe. Yeah, pretty sure. Because I'm going to start popping out these videos left and right now. That I think that I have my camera situation all figured out. Hope I do anyway. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace.